Jai Srimannarayana. 22nd sloka of 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Prakasancha pravrittincha mohamevacha Pandava नद्वेष्टि संप्रवृत्तानि न निवृत्तानि कांक्षति। ओम Do not hate the effects of those three gunas, Sattvika Gunam, Rajasa Gunam, Tamasa Gunam, when those effects are present and you are experiencing. Or do not long for those effects of those three gunas. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall not hate the effects of those three gunas when they are present, and I shall not long for those effects when they are absent. Ho Krishna, Ho Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimannarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadravasayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamapetamapetakrutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo 10th Skandham, Dasama Skandham, 283rd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, all the residents of Vrindavan, they are all scared about Sri Krishna Paramatma, thinking about Krishna, what might have happened to him. Thinking like that, craving to see Krishna, te anveshamanaha dayitam Krishnam suchitaya padaihi bhagavalakshanaih. They are all following Sri Krishna's footprints and to reach Krishna, to find Krishna. Sri Krishna's footprints having such a beautiful indications. Abja, Yava, Ankusha, Asani, Dhvaja, Upapannani, Padani, Yavankusha, Halakamala, Kulisa, Chakra, Chapa, Ketanadi, ರೇಖಾಲಂಕೃತಂಬುಲೈ ಮಾರ್ಗಾಭರಣಂಬುಲೈನ ಹರಿಚರಣಂಬುಲ ಜಾಡಗಣಿ. Krishna's divine feet has such a beautiful indications. Yavarekha, Ankusha, Hala, Vajra, Chakra, Chapa, Dhvaja, Rekha. Such beautiful indications, beautiful marks are there on Krishna's divine feet, and those footprints now Gopalas, Gopis, all the people are following. Because of those beautiful indications, marks, the entire path is looking as if the path itself is decorated with so many ornaments and it is glowing. It's all because of Krishna Paramatma's divine footprints, which has such a beautiful divine marks and indications. All the residents of Nandavraj, they are all following, and finally Jagmuhu Yamuna Tatam, they reached the banks of river Yamuna. There from a distance they have seen Krishna Paramatma, who is in unconsciousness, who is totally surrounded by, rotated by black, huge, dreadful serpent. All the people have seen that from a distance. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishnenamarasatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 14th chapter, 22nd sloka. Prakasancha pravrittincha मोहमेव च पाण्डव न द्वेष्टि सम्प्रवृत्तानि न निवृत्तानि काङ्क्षति. प्रकाशञ्च प्रवृत्तिञ्च मोहमेव च पाण्डव न द्वेष्टि सम्प्रवृत्तानि न निवृत्तानि काङ्क्षति. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.